Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to color in iArtBook. First, open your canvas and locate the color picker, usually a circle icon. Tap it to open the color wheel or palette. You can choose from many pre-made palettes or create your own. Select your desired color, then choose a brush tool. Adjust the brush size using the slider, making it larger or smaller as needed. Now you are ready to begin applying color to your artwork. iArtBook offers powerful fill tools for efficient coloring. The automatic fill, often called the bucket tool, allows you to quickly fill enclosed areas with a single tap. Simply select the bucket icon, choose your color, and tap the area you wish to fill. For smooth transitions, explore the gradient fill options, which include linear and radial gradients. You can adjust the gradient manipulators to control the direction and spread of the colors. Remember to ensure your lines are closed to prevent color from bleeding outside the intended area. Layers are essential for organized and flexible coloring. To add a new layer, tap the layers icon, then press the plus symbol. It's a good practice to create separate layers for your line art, base colors, shadows, and highlights. This allows for non-destructive editing. You can also use clipping masks to ensure your colors stay within the boundaries of your line art. Experiment with blend modes, like multiply for shadows or screen for highlights, to achieve various artistic effects and add depth to your illustrations. To elevate your coloring, try these advanced techniques. Use the eraser tool with a soft brush to refine edges or create subtle gradients. For precise color matching, activate the eyedropper tool, often represented by a target icon, and tap on any color on your canvas to instantly select it. This is incredibly useful for maintaining color consistency. Remember to add shadows and highlights on new layers, adjusting their opacity and blend modes to create realistic depth and dimension in your iArtBook artwork.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.